Adventure awaits in your new Ford Bronco, but we always want to keep our front end protected on the trail, right? That's where the Aries ForeFront Grille Guard leads the charge. The ForeFront Grille Guard is as tough as they come. It's a carbon steel one-piece frame, and the side brush guards protect your headlights as well. This will protect the front of your Bronco from debris, deer, limbs, hikers, ninjas, yetis, Godzilla, and even more. Okay, look, we can't guarantee all of those things because, Godzilla, right? But it will help keep you, your Bronco, and your passengers safe. So while this protects you, what protects it? It's covered in an E-coating, then a semi-gloss black powder coat. This helps protect the grille guard from rust and corrosion. It's form-fitted with a sleek design that contours the body and shape of the new Bronco. And if you're going to use the Bronco like it's supposed to be used, it'll be getting dirty. The ForeFront also has integrated tow hooks to help you get unstuck. Or, let's be real, help others get unstuck. And when on the trail after dark, Aries has included light mounts to keep the trail all lit up. If you want to know more about the Aries ForeFront Grille Guard, or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.